hard and do my best. Become a leader to make positive changes in my life, my community, and in the world.
What day is it? What day is it, huh? What day is it? What day is it? Hump Day!
Elementary. Hi, my name is Savannah.
And I'm Chloe, and we are from 5th grade. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, 2013.
Let's hear from Courtney. She's going to tell us what the weather will be like today.
Today's weather will be a high of 39 and a low of 25. Tomorrow's weather will be a high of 47 and a low of 30.
Courtney for the weather. Morgan is standing by to put the lunch for today.
Mamma mia, I think Italian. Today's lunch is a cheese pizza, peas, a snack of fruit and a milk. Tomorrow's lunch is chicken nuggets with a dip, corn, fruit, and milk.
Thank you for that report. Here's some more news.
If you still have hearts or money for hearts, please make sure Miss Morris has them as soon as possible. Now it's time for Ashley, the special reporter. She's also now putting cut being good.
Ashley reporting caught being good. From kindergarten is Ethan and Elbrin. From first is Heidi and Huntsberger. From second is Marissa and Jacobs. From third is Gavin and Trailer. From fourth is Ari and Nostein. From fifth is Faith and Burrows. Right down! Remember to put them on back, yo! Thank you!
My hair.
Thank you for